Another video. I'm gonna be changing my throttle body, so here it is. It's a 78, the big boy. And before you guys comment on the video, I know it'll be good for a turbo car. I know this car is not turboed yet. Stay tuned for that. It's a drift build, so my daily drift car. No one knew. It's a 2004 Mustang GT 5-speed. And this shit is massive, dude. I threw the coupler on it already, but like you can see, that shit is massive, dude. Compared to this little thing, like just look at the differences. Shit is huge. Huge compared to the stock. So I know people say that you lose power. I'm not really sure. I really don't care either. I just want to have this done and prepped, so whenever I get the turbo kit, I can just slap it on. I do need, like, I still have the subframe, the stock subframe. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. Yeah, you won't be able to see it, but I still have the stock subframe, so I don't have to change the front subframe and control arms or A arms, and then that'll be it. But it's just gonna be a quick video. I'm just gonna change stuff. It's simple to change. There's bolts right there. Just unplug all the hardware and stuff. Take off the colder intake and change the throttle cable, and that's about it. There's a sensor there, there's another sensor there, but this comes, thank God it came with a sensor. I bought it off somebody. Came with a fitting. But that's about it. It should be pretty quick, so I'm just gonna get to work real quick. Okay, so here's the stock throttle body, and here's the BBK 78mm. You can see, kind of see how big the holes are. This one kind of looks bigger actually, because I don't know, it's weird, but this one's massive, dude. Compare side to side. Can't really tell because I have this thing on, damn it. But believe me, this is 78mm. This is like what, 50 I think, or 45, I'm not really sure. I changed the IAC, I think that's what it's called, that part over, because you need that part. And everything else is just bolted on. You just gotta bolt the bolts, and that's it, really. So I'm just gonna throw it in. Let me show you guys how it looks. Here's the PI intake. I did a video in that, installing that whole thing. But yeah, there's the intake that goes here. That's about it. And then I gotta put all these hoses back, put all the bolts back, put that in, and that should be it. And put the intercooler intake thing on, and that should be it, really. Cooler intake piping, I mean. And so I'm gonna give you guys another update once I finish or have everything bolted. Okay, so now you can see the difference. Things is, this one's freaking huge, dude, compared to this one. The video really doesn't do it justice. Maybe if I can put this one in. I mean, you can fit it inside. So big this one is. But for some reason the coupler that goes on this doesn't fit this, and the one that I have, I'm gonna have to like try to stretch this one. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but maybe if I heat this up I can stretch it to go around, because the one I have, it fits fine on the 78mm side, but this side is way, the side that goes in the intake is way too small, like, you know what I mean? Look at that. This would probably be mad restrictive. I would run it double, like kind of something like this, but I don't know, I think that'd be restrictive. So I'm gonna try to squeeze this one on the other one, and hope for the best, dude. That shit sucks. It's not fucking fitting. I'm pissed, dude. And I have like 3 different freaking coupler sizes. I don't know, it's annoying. Alright guys, so just hear me out, because it's starting to rain. Hurricane Freddy or whatever is coming. So just hear me out, guys. Alright, so look, I cut my original coupler, and I used the coupler that SR Performance gave me. That comes with the cold air intake kit. So I cut the my original one. Where's the piece? There it is. Cut it, and I fitted it through. So so it kind of looks better. I don't know, dude. I'm just an engineer. Check it out. Look, so I throw it on, bam. So I'm clamped this on. It's gonna clamp on, and then the other side is gonna clamp on with the just the original cold air intake, the way how it was before with the old air intake. Instead, the outer part is bigger, and I think that's all I need for it to work. It's gonna look ugly, but fuck it, dude. It's starting to rain. I'm just gonna, you know, continue on, and it should work. Technically, it should work because it's the same coupler that fit on that one and the cold air intake. So we'll see. Okay, so good news, I have everything bolted on. Most of the stuff bolted on. I have everything plugged in, and everything's on. The bad news is I got a bolt that's fucking snapped inside there, dude. It's supposed to be like this. I got a bolt snapped inside. I'm pissed, dude. That just snapped clean off. I can probably grab it with like pliers or something and try to twist it off, dude, but that shit is fucking gone, dude. That's gonna be a whole nother project to get. I'm gonna have to destroy the bolt or try to like twist it off, you know what I mean? This one's good, but this one, dude, it's the first time I ever had a bolt do that shit to me in my fucking life, dude. It's freaking raining. It's raining outside. Oh man, isn't that some shit, dude? I'm pissed. But I think I got everything plugged in. This is freaking Ghetto rigged. This might even pop out. I might have to put like another band here just to clamp it down. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I have one right there. But yeah, just gotta tighten this bolt in and everything should be good. Fucking pissed, dude. I'm gonna start it up and see in the next clip, see how it runs. Okay, I'm about to go start it right now. Okay, it was idling kind of high, but I had to tighten down the throttle body. I had to tighten it down more, and now it seems like it's fine. Sounds like it's idling fine now. It sounds a lot louder, dude. It sounds a lot louder. I guess it would have to relearn itself. I know this type of car has a learning ECU type of thing. So the RPMs is kind of high, it's in the thousands. I know once, oh, my spark is 13, 14. It used to be at 20. That's kind of bad. It used to be at 20 even all the time. Now it's at 13, 14. Probably a tune will fix that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to cam reset and let the car learn itself. I know usually when you go to 60 and go all the way down, like you start off at 60, you're driving at 60, and then you just let the car, then you cut the power, not cut the power, but you just coast, I guess. Don't hit the gas or brake and just let the RPMs go down, and it will like learn itself. It will relearn in fuel. It will relearn the fuel trim and the air ratios, the fuel air ratios, all that stuff. So I'm just probably gonna do that now. And yeah. So I'm just gonna restart. So just the cam reset. I guess that's another word for the ECU and stuff to relearn everything. and I think everything is good. I have to figure out how to get that bolt. It's kind of sticking out, which is crazy. So I might be able to like twist it off, you know what I mean? Keep twisting it and just have it all in one piece instead of drilling it out. So that's probably what I'm gonna do really quick. Grab some needle nose pliers and try to twist it out, and hopefully it works, you know what I mean? It doesn't break, and I can put another bolt back in it, and that should be it. I do want to give you guys like a first review of how my car drives with it on, but it's kind of raining. It's kind of shitty out. I'm all sweaty and stuff, so my GoPro's about to die. I'm just gonna try to work on the getting that bolt removed, and then after that I'll probably make a POV of the car. But it definitely sounds louder, sounds meaner. It sounds like a lot more air is going in the engine, and man, I could just imagine when I get the turbo kit, it's gonna be a fucking beast, dude. But yes, so I'll see you guys in a little bit when I just clean up a little bit and try to get that bolt out. Okay, my car is freaking idling high, dude, like at 2K. It's idling like at 2K, dude. Hopefully when I get on the highway and let it go through all like the RPMs and revs, that it will correct itself. But man, when I stop, it'd be like, whoa, it's crazy. I'm gonna jump on the highway really quick. See, it's like stuck at 2K, even though I'm in third gear. Let's go to second gear, watch. See, it kind of stays at 2K. At 2500, I was at 24. Yeah, high 2400s, and then clutching. And there it is, stuck at 2K. I know I can change the RPM and all that stuff, but I'm just gonna let it try to fix itself on the highway. That's the only way. That's the only place where I can go high in RPM, in the miles per hour, and then slow down. Oh man. Alright, look, I'm clutching and you can hear the car stuck at 2K. Oh, is that 1700, 1500? If it's around 8,000 to like 800, that's fine. See, it's at 1,000 now, it's kind of normal. If it was a little bit lower, it'd be good. If it was at like 800 RPM. Right there, I'm just gonna jump on the highway and see if I can correct the car and the fuel trim and stuff. Going at 60 and then slowing down. This shit pulls, dude. This shit pulls. I can feel the gas pedal has more power to it than what it did before. It's all fucking raining and shit. I feel like the car is correcting itself a lot better. So it feels like a lot more better going down RPMs. Everything else feels good, it's just the RPM, the lower RPMs. That's it. That's all it is. It's a little funky, that's all. Fuck, dude, look at all this traffic going back, dude. Horrible, no! All this traffic, fuck. I'm going the opposite way of my house. Like, I have to be going back that way, you know what I mean? Back that way, pal. website, and people are saying that the car will idle rough and stuff like how it is now. Car is running fucking kind of hard. If I get cams and long tubes, maybe it'll be okay, but it has to be like supercharged or turboed, I guess. I'm an idiot for not looking this up. I have a fucking bolt into the freaking thing, and like I didn't have to touch this car at all, and I did, and now the throttle body's on. I'm fucking, the screw or whatever is like snapped off. The bolt snapped off in one of the holes for the throttle cable, and my car is idling rough as shit. I'm all sweaty and wet. I thought I was doing something I wasn't. Like, I mean, the sunset is nice. Oh my gosh, this is a fucking fail, dude. I'm pissed. I'll see you guys in the next video, man.